Just days away from Apple's official awe-dropping event on September 9th, and one rumor is raising eyebrows. Apple might be dropping titanium and stainless steel in favor of aluminum for the iPhone 17 Pro models. After 2 years of titanium frames, Apple seems to be choosing function over flash. Could a bigger, heavier battery be tipping the scales back to aluminum? Think back, the iPhone 14 and 15 Pro models flexed with titanium, and before that, stainless steel. So why return to aluminum now? Rumors point to a bigger battery. More power means more weight. Merging aluminum's lightness with a glass back might be Apple's way to keep the design manageable without blowing up costs. Reports even mention a sleek two-tone back. It's a bold new aesthetic move, but Apple marketing could dub it something like military-grade aluminum alloy, spinning it as advanced despite the downgrade from titanium. Here's where it gets exciting. Whispers say the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max might debut reverse wireless charging. Imagine placing your AirPods or Apple Watch on the back of your iPhone and it juices them up wirelessly. Basically, the magnetic alignment needed for fast MagSafe charging could interfere with reverse power flow. So even if it's tested, we may not actually see it in the final product. From performance to visuals, the iPhone 17 lineup is loaded. The standard iPhone 17 gets a 6.7-inch 120Hz promotion screen. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max go further. Expect the all-new A19 Pro chip, 12GB RAM, vapor chamber cooling, tougher displays, and revamped camera bars featuring 48MP telephoto lenses, possibly reaching 8 optical zoom. Adding to that, there are design changes, from a more scratch-resistant display to slimmer bezels and a reshaped dynamic island. These aren't just spec bumps, they hint at a richer, more premium experience. And let's not forget the iPhone 17 Air. This ultra-slim 5.5mm model reportedly has a 6.6-inch OLED screen, a single 48MP rear camera, possibly global SIM-only support, and a smaller battery, all powered by the A19 chip. It's Apple's razor-thin challenger against other flagship edges. Behind the scenes, the iOS 26 Liquid Glass UI is ready to debut across the lineup. With Wi-Fi 7, enhanced Apple AI, and more RAM on offer, software finally seems as exciting as hardware this year. One catch: prices are creeping up. The Pro models are rumored to start around $50 higher than last year thanks to tariffs and rising component costs. Still, with 12GB RAM, bigger batteries, and new features, Apple seems banking on value in every corner. So what do you make of it all? Aluminum over titanium, possible reverse charging, a squad of new models, and a fresh OS. Whether you're curious, cautious, or ready to upgrade, September 9th is shaping up to be one of Apple's most compelling iPhone events yet. Drop your thoughts below. Are you sad to see titanium go, or will you hold out for the Pixel 10 or Galaxy S5 Ultra instead? Personally, I think Apple's is playing smart, trading glam for practicality, but whether fans will agree remains to be seen.